Alright guys, so welcome to this video, and in this video we're gonna go over an AI appointment setting bot that I just built for an AI restaurant agency that they use to create more value and more demand for their high ticket offer, which leads to better client success, better retention, and at the end of the day, more money. Okay, so this appointment setting bot is 100% built on GoHighLevel. There is no other external platform involved in making it operational. And let's go and test it together to see how it operates, and then you can see how you can use something like that for your business or for your client's business. And if you like content like that, then hit the subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna be coming out with fantastic stuff around AI systems, automations, and I just launched a school community 3 days ago where I covered topics like AI systems, automations in more depth. It's gonna be free for the first 50 people that join this community, and then I'm turning it into a paid community, and we're already at 40 in this community. So if you want a free spot, just act fast and I'll see you on the inside. So with that being said, let's dive into the video and let's test this AI bot. Alright guys, so here we go. Again, the bot is 100% built on GoHighLevel, and this is it. It's basically built using a workflow. I mean, most automated workflows on GoHighLevel look like this, and this one is quite more complicated. It looks like this, because I have programmed it to take care of different scenarios. If the customer, for example, asks for pricing, then it handles that objection. Then it follows up if the customer doesn't text back in time and stuff like that. So we're gonna go over two main scenarios in this video, and let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, so cool. So basically I have a main account over here that I have the bot in, and then I have another secondary account to test this bot with. So what I will do is I will trigger the bot in the first account, and then I will receive the messages in the second account. Cool. So let's go ahead and trigger this bot, and the trigger is basically a tag which is restaurant. Let's hit update. And the bot says, "Hey Fivos, this is Jessica from Four Seasons Restaurant. I saw you just claimed our pricing guide events package a couple minutes ago to inquire about a corporate event. We tried calling you but couldn't reach you, so I thought I'd just text you." And let's say that the customer would respond, "Hey Jessica, yes, I saw your ad and I got interested." All right, and Jessica says, "I see what you mean. That's fantastic to hear you're interested. What kind of event are you looking to do?" I have programmed it to ask this question as a first qualifying question to qualify the lead, basically. Okay, so let's say that the lead, because you're gonna have people like that, let's say that they don't answer this question but instead ask for pricing. Well, for starters, what's your pricing? I'm just waiting and chilling until the bot responds. And the bot says, "Happy to help. Our packages are customized based on individual needs to ensure you get exactly what you're looking for. What kind of event are you looking to do?" That's amazing. It handled the pricing question because it's not really an objection, and then it went back to asking the first question. So let's say I want to do, we're looking to have a corporate New Year's event. All right, and it says, "That sounds like a fabulous way to ring in the new year. Corporate events are something we specialize in." Wow, I'm actually surprised by how good this bot is. How many people were you looking to do that for, and when about are you looking to host this post event, so I can check our availability? We want to do an event for 150 people for New Year's. And it says, "That's a great number for a New Year's bash. We can definitely accommodate a group of that size." How good is that? I'm actually very impressed by the bot. Based on the above, I think our restaurant is the perfect place to host your event. Let's book you an appointment with our head manager, and he'll go over how everything works and pricing. He will call you over the phone at the time that you'll choose. Sounds good? And the bot has done a fantastic job until now. Let's say that the person does not answer this question and says, for example, "Are you open for New Year's?" And the bot says, "Yes, we are open for New Year's events. Happy to accommodate your corporate celebration. Are there any other questions, or can we book the appointment?" Wow. And let's see that the prospect answers with, "Yeah, let's book the appointment." And by the way, if you observe here, you will see that the answers and the time that the bot responds back is fast, like 1 minute later, then again 1 minute later, 1 minute later. It's fast, but it's not instantaneous, because if it was instantaneous, it would be very easily observable that it's a bot or something like that. All right, and the bot says, "Awesome, Fivos, here is the booking link for the call." And then the restaurant agency will have to customize the link, the booking link for every single client. And then it says, "I'll send it to you on email too. Please let me know when you book so I confirm it on my side. Again, our head manager will call you at the time you book. You don't need to do anything further." And then I have programmed a bot also to send an email with the same booking link a few minutes later. Fantastic. And let's respond with, "Okay, cool, I'll book later." Okay, and it says fantastic. I'll keep an eye out for your booking. If you have any questions in the meantime or need assistance with anything else, just let me know. Enjoy your day and looking forward to making your New Year's event memorable. That's amazing. That's an amazing bot. And let's say that the prospect says, thank you. And now over here, I have a wait step for 1 day. But let's say that the person did not respond in a day and did not book an appointment within that day. Okay, so what happens next? I'm just gonna force the contact to go to the next step because I don't want to wait a day. Actually, over here, it's supposed to ask, hey, first name, is it better to just call you at a specific time? Please give us 2 available time slots today or tomorrow, and our head manager will call you. So if I hadn't kind of like played with it so fast, it would have done that. Anyways, so this is basically the bot. And then if it times out the way that I have programmed it, it adds the person to follow-up workflow. If no condition met, again to a follow-up workflow. And then if a customer asks more questions, then I give an internal notification to the team so that they can call the customer and then they can answer the questions and book an appointment with them. Because my belief is that if a person goes for so many days and just continues asking more questions and stalling and stuff like that, then the team should call them. I mean, I could have programmed the bot to just follow up with them and ask them more questions and then follow up with them to book an appointment, but I think that's inefficient, and I think that somebody should call the lead and then basically get the lead to book an appointment. Okay, this is pretty much what the bot is, and something that I didn't show you is the follow-up section here. So let's go ahead and do another very fast example to show you how that works. So I just re-triggered the workflow. So I received the first SMS again, which is a program SMS that goes out. And then, for example, I don't respond to anything over here. And then the way that this bot is built out is that it waits for a day. And then if the lead doesn't respond within the day, then it goes over here, which is the follow-up section. So I just force the lead to the next step and it's gonna go over here. And this is the follow-up message, which is, hello Fivos, hope you're having a vibrant day. I noticed we haven't had a chance to connect since you showed interest in our pricing guide and events package. At Four Seasons Restaurant, we're all about creating unforgettable moments, and I'd love to ensure your corporate event turns out just as you envision it. Oh my god, this is like better than a person would have written something like that. And then it says, could you share what kind of event you're looking to host with us? This will help us tailor the conversation and offerings to exactly what you need. Looking forward to hearing from you and bringing your event to life. Best, Jessica. This is amazing. And again, if the person doesn't respond, it follows up with a very unique follow-up message. And then let's say that the person responds later to the first question that the bot asks and then doesn't respond again, so it follows up again between the questions. So this is how this bot is built out. So if you want a bot like that built out for you or your clients, you can reach out to me and then we can see how to customize a bot like that for you. And by the way, along with this bot, we help this restaurant agency with some other systems too, and this is what they had to say.
Hey guys, so I am just recording this quick testimonial for Fivos and the Elite Architects team. My name is Reservation Singh. I'm a co-founder of my company Certus AI, where we basically build AI tools for restaurants. And I just wanted to say a quick thank you as well as basically give my opinion and honest review on working with Fivos and the Elite Architects team. Generally, we have just been able to adopt so much scale because of him and his team. I think the main thing is it's helped us scale our offer, more importantly, make our internal processes even better and more systemized, to the point where we know that the main bottleneck of us not growing is not the systems. And I think that's a huge problem for people wanting to grow, especially agencies, coaches, and consultants who are limited to growth. Like, this is one of their biggest problems. And I think that him and his team came and diagnosed our business, understood where our bottlenecks were, built out systems to basically make sure that those bottlenecks aren't in existence anymore. But more importantly, whilst building all of that out for us, they actually gave it to us internally, which just basically means we can use his systems forever, scale forever, without necessarily being reliant on a third party. And so if that sounds interesting to you, trust me when I say, even if you're on the fence, just go ahead and have a chat with him, because that was a decision I made, and it's definitely one of the best decisions we've made this year. I can honestly say that. And I would definitely say it's worth the time taking to have a chat with him and his team and see if they can help you out, because I truly think they can, just like they've helped us out.
So here we go. And by the way, I just want to add too that Gurveer and his team, they're just amazing people, and they expand restaurants like crazy. They actually take restaurants, and in many cases, they help them open up more and more locations with a fantastic job that they do. So if you by any chance are running a restaurant and you want to expand like crazy, or you know somebody that has a restaurant and wants to expand his restaurant and it wants to expand the locations and stuff like that, then you can reach reach out to Gurveer and his team. I'm gonna have their website link in the description down below. And guys, as a last thing, if you want AI solutions like that, or even AI colors, I'm about to do a video on AI colors, on different AI colors, or custom systems for your business so that you can scale your offers easier to $100,000 a month and beyond, then you can email me, DM me on Instagram, join my school community. And yeah, that's all that I have for this video. Hopefully you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.